Our first cruise going out of Cape Canaveral. We're going on MSC Seashore. It's a newer boat. It's supposed to be fantastic. Let's see how it goes. I got this cruise for Natalie for her birthday in July. It's a 7-day cruise. We're going to Nassau. We're going to Sand Key, which they renamed. It's MSC's Island. I can never remember it. We are going to Costa Maya and we are going to Cozumel. We're going to take excursions and we're going to do all kinds of stuff over the 7 days. So far, everybody seems so chipper. I think so. If you're like me, you're probably not fond of boats. That's why I have never been on a cruise before. So this will be my first time. I do get motion sickness. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. But I mean, I guess we'll see.
It wasn't very graceful though. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got on the ship. We just made it.
Much to my dad's dismay, the kids will be staying with my parents for 7 days. We just got into the room. This is our room. What do you think?
It's nice.
Little couch.
Yeah.
Nice bed. And a balcony.
I'm so glad we got the balcony.
So we'll be able to see the seas and stuff. That's where we all came in, right in over there, up the terminal. That's all our luggage down there too. Oh, there's Coronas in there?
Yeah, I think you have to pay
Why?
everything.
We've been cruising for a while, actually, and we watched the Packers play. That's why it's been so long. They lost because they suck. We met some guys that were engineers on the ship that said that there was a fire on this ship a week ago. That's why they're here. They were installing generators.
Fire aboard the MSC Seashore cruise ship had cruise passengers concerned, confused, and looking for answers. Passengers reported elevators being shut down, dining rooms being closed, and areas smelling like smoke. On social media, one passenger commented, "I was standing right under the smokestack when there were two huge bangs, followed by lots of sizzling, then lots of smoke that smelled exactly like an electrical fire." Website Cruise Hive reached out to MSC and has now confirmed that on the evening of December 8th, a small electrical fire was reported in the emergency generator room on an upper deck of the ship and was swiftly extinguished, with no injuries reported, and that MSC did not anticipate any changes to the remaining itinerary or upcoming sailings. It seems that the MSC crew rose to the occasion by handling the situation quickly and kept everyone on board safe. A happy ending to a potentially disastrous situation.
Whatever. But let me show you what's outside. There's a bunch of seagulls like flying around right beside the boat. It's kind of funny how that works. I don't know if they trapped us. Yeah, but it's nighttime and it's cold as all anything in here. And yeah. So I'm wearing a sweater and Natalie's wearing some kind of, I don't know, long sleeve something. We've already drank a lot. I can tell how this is gonna go. Whatever.